Imagine waking up to the irresistible aroma of freshly made waffles. With the Cuisinart WMR-CA round classic waffle maker, that dream becomes a delicious reality. This compact, easy-to-use appliance features a non-stick cooking surface, ensuring your waffles come out perfectly golden and effortlessly slide right off. The adjustable temperature control allows you to customize your waffles to your liking, whether you prefer them soft and fluffy or crispy and crunchy. Plus, the indicator lights let you know when it's time to pour in the batter and when your waffles are ready to enjoy. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the non-stick plates, and its sleek design means it won't take up much space on your countertop. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or hosting a brunch, this waffle maker is your ticket to waffle perfection every time. So, grab your favorite toppings and get ready to indulge. Order now by now link in the description.